So, hello guys. Glad to see you guys back. Surely can't wait to get started. So, today we will be looking at nested dynamic routes in Next.js and when you would need them. So previously, we saw how to create dynamic routes. Now we want to further expand on this knowledge and consider a case. Let's say I want to create lessons inside my chapters, which will basically be the subchapters or specific sections inside my chapter. So for them, I would then have to create, let's say, slash chapter 3 slash lessons slash lesson 1, and then lesson 2, and so on. So to create such nested routing, we will basically follow the same principle. We will create the lessons folder inside our existing chapter ID folder first. Then we will go on and create the lesson ID folder. Remember to specify the folder name inside square brackets, since lesson ID will be dynamic. So now we will similarly create the lesson component and render the text lesson. After we do that, we will use params and define this as a client-side component here with use client directive. From use params, we can take out the params and log them onto the console to check what exactly we get here. Now, we can just move to the route slash chapters slash chapter 3 slash lessons slash lesson 1 and check the console ones. And yes, we get the params, and you will notice that we get two params here, both chapter ID and lesson ID. So if we go back and take out the chapter ID and lesson ID from the params object, and then we will render the text inside a template string saying chapter as chapter ID, and similarly lesson as lesson ID. Now, if we change the route, you will notice the respective chapters and lessons being printed on the screen. Based on these IDs, you can now generate or show the corresponding UI to the user, and this is simply possible through retrieving URL params in Next.js. So that's simply all in this video. We will also check out the catch-all segments in Next.js in our next video. So till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.